Most service providers are not struggling because they are not hardworking or their skills are not good enough. They are struggling because most of the times your audience is not aware that you exist. You might be the best makeup artist in Borivali, the best coaching center in Vasai, or the best nutritionist in Surat, or even the best yoga teacher in Gurgaon. If your personal brand is not strong enough or invisible in 2026, your business will also be invisible. 2026 will not reward the most hardworking service provider. It will reward the one who is visible, clear, and trusted online. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can become the top service provider in your city and build a personal brand that attracts local clients. So let's begin. The first reason is very simple: you are excellent offline, but you are not present online at all. This is the biggest problem in India. Most service providers rely on word of mouth, WhatsApp forwards, festival seasons, local walk ins, friends and family networks. These all things work, but they're not enough anymore. You might have a stable income, but there will be no long term growth because there will always be the best makeup artist in the city. There will always be a better nutritionist that has online presence, that has a personal brand that people trust, and somewhere you will stop being relevant. Only the people who cannot actually access the internet, or the people who do not have the high paying capacity of the new upcoming service providers in your field, will come to you, and you will not be blessed with a client base that is very stable and that is growing, or that is ever growing. You need to be ready for not only 2026 but for the next 10-20 years. I'll tell you very simple thing, okay? Before going anywhere, okay, before stepping out of the house, generally people who are in the earning capacity age group, that is say 25 to 45, they definitely first search online before going offline. So they will check reviews, they'll check websites, they'll check social media accounts of any service provider that they have to work with. They'll go through the not only reviews but also how your vibe is, who you are. They want to know you before they actually step out of their house and make a decision to pay you. The payment is not done when they actually pay you, hand over the money. It is done online when they are actually looking up for the best nutritionist in Gujarat, or the best makeup artist in Kandivali, or the best yoga teacher in Gurgaon. So you get the gist of it, I hope. And the thing that I have been like screaming from rooftops is that if you do not exist online, you do not just exist offline too for them. Talent cannot fix invisibility. Visibility multiplies your talent. Reason number two is that you do not have a personal brand online. So people simply do not trust you. See, there's a very old saying in general business world is that you do not do business with people you do not trust. When it comes to a service provider, even if it is like a client based business, it is still a business. Why will someone pay you anything, okay, even one single rupee, if they do not trust you? No one is going to come and give you 500 rupees and tell you that, okay, I do not trust you, but okay, I don't care about my money and what you will do with whatever service you are providing, so just because you are cheap, I am going to like make do with you. That is not how things work. Even if you're charging 500 or 5000, people will only pull that amount of money and dedicate their time and trust to you only when they trust you. A personal brand is not about being famous, it is about being chosen. It is not simply about having 10 lakh followers or 50,000 subscribers. No, it is not that. Even with 500 stable followers or subscribers, the content that you're building should convey that you are trustworthy. It should not be something very generic like graphics, or something that is very impersonal that has been picked up from social media or just chat gpt or Google. It has to be you. It has to tell people why they can trust you. It needs to be completely about you. That is how you build a personal brand. The funda is very simple. If someone can see 10 dentists online, why should they choose you? Most offline service providers never show their face, their work, their story, their process, their knowledge, their results. And because of that, potential customers never trust them. I'll give you a very simple example. One of our clients based in Mumbai, in the morning, she used to take these fitness classes from like 7 to 9, and then she used to have like her consultation, one on one consultation offline. Uh, at a rented space, like she didn't own a space, she used to like take like a desk and that studio space for rent in the mornings from 11 to 1 or 2 2ish. She used to like take this offline coaching, and then also one on one nutrition sessions. So clients used to come to her not only for fitness but also for their diet plans. So she was like well versed in her area, that was Andheri. But what happened is that she had no online presence, so the growth that she was expecting for the first 4 years of her business, she like grew exponentially, but later on this growth just became stagnant. There were not many new patients or clients coming. Once the clients no longer needed the service, what happened is that they just stopped coming and new ones were not coming. So there was this imbalance. From like earning 1.5 lakh every month, she like literally came down to around 65,000, which is like not even half of what she was earning before. And it was enough, but it was still not enough, because you know some months are good, some months are bad, but she was not really happy with the growth. So what we did is, when we took her as our client, we started building her personal brand. So how you can actually build a personal brand via content is, you can put out weekly value videos, a few transformation videos, a very nice and clean profile where you have clarity, clear messaging across your website and social media. So this not only brought her website in the top Google search. Whenever anyone used to search best nutritionist in Andheri, her name comes in like top 3. She saw 5x growth in her client base. New clients started coming in, so existing ones were there, but she started gaining 5 times more clients because of her online visibility on Google and her social media. We have been working with her for around 7 months now, and she doesn't have like thousands and thousands of followers. She just has like around 2000 followers, and still her business is growing steadily. Even on a monthly basis, she's gaining not more than like 300 400 followers. But she is not gaining the random followers that you gain. She is gaining followers who are converting into clients. And I feel personally, as a digital agency, we definitely recommend to build a brand that doesn't focus on the number of followers that you have online, but followers that convert into clients. So even if you're gaining, say, 5 followers on your social media, from that 5, at least one should convert into your client within like 1 to 3 months, like the first quarter of them following you, because that is when the trust building is the strongest. Reason number 3 is, your city has a lot of competition, but you do not have a differentiator. Again, I'm going to like emphasize on the same thing, that there are like thousands and thousands of makeup artists in Borivali. There are thousands and thousands of coaching classes in Mumbai. There are so many nail technicians in, say, Mira Road. I'm giving you Mumbai based examples because we are based in Mumbai, and these are the clients that we actually meet and we work with. So there are going to be at least 1,000 in your own locality. But what makes you different? Most people or most service providers that we contact during our cold calling literally reply that my skills or my talent is enough, it speaks for me. But do you think this mentality will help you grow in 2026? It is not. Definitely your work speaks for itself, but it speaks to only the people who you are visible to, people who can see your videos, people who can actually meet you in person. And let's be honest, okay, offline, how many people can you meet on an everyday basis to actually do your marketing, to do your sales? So let's assume that you are ready to take this next step. You're ready to build your personal brand online. So what will make you different in 2026? Differentiation comes from your face, your story, your style, your results, your consistency, your method, and your niche. This is what makes you the go-to person in your area. A personal brand creates that difference very easily. If after listening to all of this, you feel that you are someone who's not very digital savvy and you're feeling, very overwhelmed, you're not alone. We work with clients who come to us who have zero idea how Instagram, Facebook, website, or even Google My Business works, or even how to build a personal brand. If you feel that you need some help, we at WebReady are always ready to help you. You can contact us at 9833778383 to schedule a free call with us. We help in brand strategy, social media marketing, content management, website design, app development, and a lot more. Any help that you need regarding your digital business, WebReady24 is here to help you. Fourth reason is the silliest reason. You do not want to show the proof of your business or your work, but that proof is what actually earns trust. People trust small businesses when they share the proof of their work. So whenever we call someone for cold calling, or we WhatsApp, or just cold email someone to approach them for our services, generally the first reply that we get is, what is the proof of your work? Please share some work that you have done. Please share some screenshots of your work. Please share some links of your work. And I get it. When you see the kind of work that people are putting out there, what we are doing out there, you definitely have to understand one simple thing, that you trust, because you are struggling with something. If you are struggling to post a reel, if you're struggling to edit a reel, and you see that, oh, this person has already made hundreds and hundreds of reels, and now they have come to me, definitely I can check out their work and see if they are a right fit or not. When you see my work, or when people see your work, if you're a nutritionist, if you show the before and after work, and people are either coming to you for gaining or losing weight, they will definitely reach out. So a makeup artist showing a bride or a baby shower makeup that she has done for another client, when she puts this out online, a follower who is already following her, or maybe someone new who's like searching for a makeup artist locally, will definitely come to you, because you have shared the proof of what outcome you actually show. So the people actually are not interested in what kind of brands you are using. They are more interested in what is the outcome. So if someone comes to me, they will never ask me what video editor you use, or what is your website hosting platform. They'll ask me, what are the websites you have made, what are the videos you edited, what are the brand strategies that have worked, how many impressions do you have, how many views do you have, what is the follower count of the clients that you have worked with. These are the kind of questions they ask. They do not ask if you're using Mac, or if you're going to give me a dessert in that meal plan that you are going to give me. No, they'll just ask for proof, who you have worked with and what are the results. Show me. You just need to show your work, whatever you're doing. Local proof creates local trust. So when a client sees, oh, she has worked with someone like me, so I can trust her, I can work with her, I can give her my money and my trust. That is how your personal brand actually brings clients to you. The reason 5 is why 100% of the local service providers actually burn out. You do everything manually. There is no stability, there is no system, there is nothing set for when you are sick, or when you are on a leave, when you are on a vacation, when you just need an evening off. There is nothing in place for those special days, and this affects most of the service providers who do not understand why online world is important, why you need to go digital. The time to be digital is not in 2026, it was in 2019. You rely on WhatsApp DMs, confusing voice notes, missed messages, no fixed process, no booking system, no follow-up structure, no website, no social media automation, no bulk content creation, and so much more. This not only creates chaos for yourself but also for clients. Clients don't know what is going on, you don't know what is going on, and everyone in this process is like so confused and just unhappy. Even being a digital agency, we have also faced this, and now we understand how things should work, and that is why we have created our digital ecosystem masterclass. I will share the link in the description box below. It is totally made for you. There is no other e-course that we are selling you. You can check it out in the description box below. You don't need 10,000 different systems. You just need one clarity call with us and to understand which digital ecosystem is the best one for you. Reason 6 is you do not have a clear local positioning. Generally, all these online gurus and coaches tell you that you want to be the best globally, you want to be the best person in India, like best service provider in India. But people do not choose the best makeup artist in India or the best social media manager in India. They will choose the best who is the most nearest to them. So instead of positioning yourself as the best digital marketeer in India or the best nutritionist in India, position yourself as the best social media manager in Thane, or the best social media manager in Borivali West, or the best makeup artist in Surat, or the best photographer in Andheri. The more you position yourself locally, visibly, the more you get clients who are local and easier to reach out, easier to convert. I'll give you a simple example. Let's say that you are a wedding photographer and definitely you travel for weddings. There is no doubt in that. But if someone is looking for someone very local, okay, if they know that their wedding is in Andheri and they know that Mumbai traffic is like way worse, they will definitely go for a photographer who is based in Andheri instead of searching for the best in India and call them from like Delhi. That doesn't make sense, right? Unless it is like a destination wedding and they have like an insane amount of budget. Most people do not prefer people who are like best in the whole country. They will choose the best who's like locally available. I would prefer a photographer whose studio I can go walk to, or who I can just meet over a coffee and share my thoughts, instead of meeting someone who's like based in a different city altogether. So your goal should not be to be the best service provider in India, but it should be to be the best service provider in your locality. Local positioning is powerful because local clients convert faster and trust faster. A personal brand helps people recognize you fast. So how do you become the best local service provider in your city? The rules are very simple. The first one is you show your face. People buy from humans, not logos. Number 2 is post weekly educational content. Simple, relatable, locally focused. Teach, don't just sell. The third one is show your work, real people, real results. Fourth one is build a digital ecosystem that suits your speed and gives you clarity. You need to have a system that actually suits your pace. The system should be simple and stress free. I am again telling you that we have created a digital ecosystem that is specifically made for service providers or freelancers. You can check out the link in description box below. The fifth one is build a website that sells. Not only a website should be your portfolio or your digital visiting card, but it should be something that helps you earn money even when you are sleeping. And sixth comes pick your niche and location. Instead of being the best one in your country or your even state or even in your city, focus on the location that is very specific. So you can actually go for specific stations, railway stations that are nearby you, or metro stations nearby you. Your city already has your clients. They are just not able to find you where they are searching. You just need to be present where they are, and that problems easily get solved. You can completely be the best one in your locality if you focus on personal branding and building a digital ecosystem that helps you convert these leads into clients. 2026 is your chance to be the best one in your area. If this video gave you any clarity, please subscribe to our channel. I'm building an entire series where I'll help you service providers to be seen locally, to build your business locally and grow locally and more sustainably. And if you need any help in building your digital identity, WebReady24 is there for you. You can contact us at 9833778383.